I am on Westbahnstraße in Vienna. There are several camera stores in this street. The reasons for that is that there used to be several photo studios on this street. The camera stores were nearby to sell cameras to them. Hi, it's Peter here.
What is this camera?
Sorry?
What is the camera, this one?
It's a Tachihara.
Oh, it's a beautiful piece of art.
Japanese large format is 8 by 10 inch.
Oh, that's a beautiful piece of art. Is it for sale or just for display?
It's for sale.
How much that would?
3,600.
Sorry?
3,600.
Oh, that's a...
Except lens.
Except
lens.
lens.
Is separate.
Oh, okay.
But
And how
it's
much?
not expensive.
It
The
is.
lens is 400 euro.
Oh, okay. So it's not a very expensive lens. That's a beautiful camera.
It's not all. There is accessories included, reduction back to 4 by 5 inch and extension back for 11 to 14 inch. It's wooden.
Oh,
It's
wow.
amazing from the 70s, you know,
Wow.
or from the 80s.
Yeah.
80s. Cool, huh?
It's nice. Very nice. Thank you.
Across the street there is the Leica Store. Let's see if they have the new Leica Q3 with the 43mm lens.
Hello. Just drooling. Why not?
It's here for that. It's the latest version.
Yeah.
With the new lens,
Yeah.
as you probably heard of.
Yes, that's why I heard that you have the store here. It just... Oops.
Compared to the regular one, it's just a different optic.
Yeah. How do you turn it on?
F2 now, but it's an Apple lens, so it's
Yeah.
brings to more sharpness.
Looks beautiful.
It's available since yesterday. No?
Yeah, I know, I heard. Unfortunately, I cannot justify the price. How much would my photography be better with that one? It probably would, I don't know.
Eye of the beholder.
I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Some see it as an investment
Maybe
for many years.
when I stop doing my professional work, I sell everything and buy one, whatever is the newest one. Then, yeah, that would be, yeah. Cool.
Who knows what comes next?
We never know. That would be perfect because I love the focal length. It's just perfect. I do a lot of street photography, so it's
For
it would
street
be
it's perfect.
Yeah.
You don't have to keep that close.
Exactly. Yeah, but still wide enough. Yeah. That's so cool. Well, thank you.
So much. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.